Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about my printed car from 3D sets. It's a nice model, it's a hot rod, and it's printable, and it's a fun product for parents and children to do together. So it's a nice day. It's -4 degrees Celsius, about 24 Fahrenheit. So it's a nice day to be inside. So please leave a comment, and if you like, you can subscribe. It's free. So over to the table. So this is the car I'm gonna build. It's a Ripper from 3D sets, and I have printed out most of the parts, so I just want to show you something. This is the transmission. It's printed in PC plastic. Here is the gears for the differential. Here is the covers. This is the frame, some parts of the frame. It's printed in PTG. Here is a part of the cabin. It's printed in Pillet. Here's a part of the doors. I think it's gonna be a pretty nice car. Here's the floor for the cabin. This is the part for the cabin. I believe this is for the ja. I don't know what is. Here is the hood. It's going to be a hot rod. Here's the frame for the windows. More frame. There's more part for the frame and the axles. I believe this is for the front, and it's so many parts. There's the engine. Always take a break and drink some coffee. So what do you think? Should I do a build series when I mount the parts and show how I put it together? Or should I do something else? And here we have all the other parts. Here is the belt for the transmission. Here is a servo for the when you rise and lower the suspension. And here is one for the two. I got one for the front and one for the rear. Here is a new project. It's a hauler. But here is the servo for the steering. Some bearings. Here is the engine. And here is the ECS, the speed controller. Hobby wing. So what do you think? It's much plenty of parts. It's gonna be a long series if I do it. Should I do it or not? Please leave a comment and say, what do you think? Well, always coffee. So, please leave a comment and say if I should do it or not. Till next time, keep on building and drive safely.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah.